start my day. We're gonna go to a local pick and pull and see if I can pick up some parts for the Scion tC. Fix the problem with the tC today, where my sunroof is like not sealing properly, so hopefully I can get a new sunroof from the Scion, another Scion tC. Up some small blemishes on my tC, as in like the fender, my left fender is all a little fucked up, but hopefully I can get a new fender, hopefully I can get a new sunroof, maybe I can get a new bumper bracket so I can fix my bumper gap. But it's an early morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now, so hopefully I can get those parts off of that tC and I can start finishing up my tC a little bit. I'll see you in a bit. These days I'll do a video like the inside and outside of my tC. I think my tC is cool, but others may not. So I forgot to tell you guys, so I'm from San Jose, Bay Area, and yeah, I'm just a guy thinking about making videos now on YouTube, just for fun. Right now we're almost there to Monterey Road. We're on Monterey Road right now. We're almost to pick and pull. First stop on we're doing Monterey pick and pull first for my cousin. Then we're gonna go to the one over there by Berryessa for my tC. Because usually they have older cars over here on Monterey, then they have the newer cars over there on Berryessa. So that's where I found my first tC. That's why I was able to get the interior parts for my tC, so I can cut holes for this roll bar so it kind of looks clean. But I'm hoping that tC over there on Berryessa has the parts that I need, and if it does, I'll be really happy. I just really hate that bumper scuff, and I hate how the sunroof is broken now. I can't wash my car, or else I'm gonna get water in my car. I'm just hoping for a good day today. That's all it is. So we just made it in a pick and pull. Let's see if we can go find my cousin. Let's see if we can go see that Celica. Celica. Yes. Celica. I always like coming to the junkyard because there's things here that you would like never expect to see, or you can do things to cars that you would never do in real, like outside. Like I keep my first car here. I threw a spark plug at the car, trying to break a window. Didn't work out. That's cool. Always like pick and pull. Got a lot of weird stuff here too. Down here at Monterey, we're gonna move on to Berryessa pick and pull. Hopefully I can find parts for my tC. Hopefully Andy can find his parts for his Celica, and probably he'll find parts for the Camry. We made it to our second location. We made it to Berryessa pick and pull. Hopefully they have the parts for the tC. I think I'll be happy if I can get all those parts. Made it to pick and pull. Look at these colors. Look at that green though. Oh my goodness. Oh, what the fuck? He's like spray painted the interior too. Wow. What the fuck? The hippie mobile. Hello. You're working on the car? No? Okay. take whatever I can. I just need the driver's side. Hopefully I can make it work. And I think for my tC, this cable is what broke. And if I can get this to kind of like hold it down, this is the table right here. If I can get it to hold it down and just seal, that's all I really need. Hopefully that works. Shout out to my friend Victor. Gave me some mechanic gloves. I was like, dope. Free mechanic gloves. Dope. So after some finessing with all this glass, I was able to get this side out. And I'm hoping it's only the driver's side because the passenger side closes, but you know, it's probably this cable. That cable. This cable breaks, I guess. Hopefully I can get some more parts and see what else I can get. It's okay, I got this. Hopefully this helps. Oh. What else we can find here? The hellos! You took the fog light? Hey, fog lights. How much is fog lights?
$11 here?
Oh, not too bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good, right? So look.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You want to help me take them off? I never took these off.
Yeah. You can stay. Looks like we're calling it a day soon. Kinda got nothing else left to do. Today at Pick and Pull was not a successful day, except for I got like one half of a sunroof, and they charged me only half. But at least I got half of a sunroof. But I was hoping for a fender and a bracket for my bumper, but oh well. What it is what it is. So at least today was a decent day. So hopefully I got something coming up so I can make another video. But overall, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.